Welcome to Leith Nautical Sailing Academy. I'm Paul Murray, and today I'm going to introduce you to the tidal atlas. When we are sailing, the tidal streams will have a major effect. If the tidal stream is on the bow, then it will slow us down. If the tidal stream is on the stern, then it will speed us up. And if the tidal stream is on the beam, it will knock us off course. So we need to know what the tidal streams are doing. One way we can do this is to look at the tidal atlas. The tidal atlas will show us the set and the rate of the tidal streams for each tidal hour. We'll find the tidal stream atlas in the RYA Training Almanac. The tidal atlas gives us a visual overview of the set and rate of the tidal streams in the area in which we are sailing. The arrow gives us the set or direction of the tidal stream, and the numbers give us the rate of the tidal streams. In the example here, the neap rate is 1.1 knots and the spring rate is 2.1. The tidal atlas will help us decide when to make a passage. Let's take an example. If we were making a passage from Victoria towards Dumbarton on the 1st of January, it would be better to sail with rather than against the tidal streams, and we would like to maximize the time in which we would have favourable tidal streams. By looking at the tidal atlas, we can see the tidal stream turns favourable from 6 hours before high water Victoria, and this would give us the maximum period in which we could sail with favourable tides. In order to find the time at which we should start our passage, we will need to find the time of the high water hour for Victoria. So if high water in Victoria on the 1st of January is at 11:26, then high water hour will start 30 minutes before and end 30 minutes after the time of high water. So high water hour Victoria starts at 10:56 and ends at 11:56. All we need to do now is to work out the time of our high water hour. We're looking to set off 6 hours before high water Victoria. Drawing a tidal hour ladder, we can see that 6 hours before high water Victoria starts at 04:56, and this is the time in which we can leave to maximize the tidal streams. So that was our introduction to the tidal atlas. I'm Paul Murray from Leith Nautical Sailing Academy. We hope that you've enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. The tidal atlas gives us a visual overview of the set and rate of the tidal streams in the area in which we are sailing. The arrow gives us the set or direction of the tidal stream, and the numbers give us the rate of the tidal streams. In the example here, the neap rate